Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am tackling the big project up against the woods. I'm a little out of breath because I just carried all the plants out. Let me show you what I have planned to plant the whole way along the woods. So I have chose to plant Russian sage. Now, two reasons why I chose that. One, it's cheap, and two, it gets really big. Now you may notice a difference in size. These are from a different grower than these two flats over here. But here's the tag. They're gonna get 3 to 4 foot tall, which is what I want. They prefer full sun, and from what I understand, they don't need much work. You know I am all about that. So just imagine this, the whole length of the woods. Now what I'm gonna try to do is space these ones out and then fill in with these ones because, well, you can see they are further along. So just in case these don't grow, these ones might fill in, who knows? So I have 16 of them here, and what I'm going to do is, this landscape fabric actually has lines on it, so I'm gonna follow the middle line, and I'm just going to plant the whole way down there. Okay guys, I just got it all done. So here is one side. Now I am going to mulch, however, I am not the most glamorous mulcher in the world. So then on the other side of the wagon, it just continues. All right, I'll show you the finished product when I'm done mulching. Okay guys, it is all mulch except for that part up there. I'm not finished working on that yet, but I really love, I'm not finished here either. I really love how this looks, and I can't wait for it to fill in. Hopefully it does it fast because Russian sage is supposed to grow really fast. And then look, I even had enough mulch to go down around the corner here. So that is an Annabelle hydrangea and a blood good Japanese maple tree. All right guys, my project is done finally. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.